Well, a dog is expected to make a full recovery after falling into an 8-foot trench. This is video from the South Metro Fire Rescue. This happened yesterday afternoon, just south of Parker. Officials say the pup, whose name is Carl, went missing from his foster home on Sunday, and he was found in a trench Monday, just off an intersection on Highway 83. First responders, animal control, and a construction company worked together to get him out using their equipment. They say he spent last night at a local vet, and Carl is now in foster care with a rescue organization in Parker.